How's it? Welcome back to Hiroshi's Aloha Kitchen. I'm Wally, and this channel is dedicated to my dad to showcase his amazing culinary skills. Today, we're going to be making my dad's famous teriyaki sauce. Very easy to make, basically just these four ingredients. We're going to use some sugar. This is the C&H brand sugar. Soy sauce, shoyu. We use the KikKoman brand. It's easier to find up here in the mainland, and Dad always used a KikKoman. There's that Aloha brand shoyu that's you can use that too, but I think that one's a little bit lighter. We never really used that. We always stuck with the KikKoman. Garlic, half a bulb of garlic, and ginger. So we're going to be using about 3 tablespoons of ginger, and the size of ginger you need all depends on how large your ginger is. So I'm going to start with about a 3-inch section of ginger. We're going to peel it, grate it, squeeze it, see how much ginger juice we can get out of that. We make a half a gallon at a time, and this is, really if you think about it, it's just parts, right? So we're going to use basically 1 part of shoyu, soy sauce, to 1 part of sugar. So this is a half a gallon, so that's 8 cups of shoyu. So we're going to use 8 cups of sugar. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and get started with the garlic and the ginger, and I will be right back. So the ginger, I'm just going to take about a 3-inch piece of this ginger, and we're going to peel this, grate it, and then squeeze it to get the juice out. And all we need is about 3 tablespoons. So this ginger, you can leave the skin on if you want, but it's better to just peel it because it makes it a lot easier to get the juice out and squeeze. Okay. And you don't have to grate it real small. Once we get it all grated up, we just take our garlic press and we can spoon some of this ginger in there, and then we'll just squeeze it with the garlic press. Okay, that should be pretty good on that. With the garlic, the easiest thing to do is to just grate it. You can do it all sorts of ways. You can just cut it up with a knife. You can run it through the grater. You can put it in a food processor to chop it up nice and fine. Or you can just even put it in a garlic press. But I'm just gonna take it with skin and everything and just grate it. And that skin will just come right off. And all that's gonna be there is your garlic, just like that. I'll get this finished up, and we'll get started on the rest of the teriyaki sauce. And we got our ginger juice, we got our garlic done. We can go with our soy sauce and sugar. We're going to use the whole half gallon, and then we'll add in our sugar. So remember, it's a part to part, right? So we got 8 parts of soy sauce, and now we have 8 parts of sugar. So it's 1 cup soy sauce, 1 cup sugar. Bring in our garlic and our 3 tablespoons of ginger juice. So all you need to do to finish this up is just to mix this, and you'll be done. So a little trick on the mixing part is let it sit for a few minutes before you begin mixing, because the sugar is one big clump and it's pretty thick. If you let it sit, the sugar starts to kind of dissolve in the mixture itself and makes it a lot easier to mix. You can use an electric whisk or a electric mixer, but with those, use a slow speed. Otherwise, things can go everywhere, and I know that from experience. So I know. So see how simple this was to make? It was very easy, right? And if you doubt that this could taste this good without doing all the other things that you see people doing with teriyaki sauce or making teriyaki sauce, I'll tell you, just try it. Just give it a try. You got nothing to lose. Just try maybe 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of soy sauce, along with some garlic and some ginger juice. Give that a shot. See how you like it. I bet you're gonna like it. As I said earlier, this is a base for a lot of my dad's recipes. I use this in the kalbi recipe I made few months ago, and I'll put a link if I can figure it out to the Kalbi either here or there, and if I can't, I'll put it in the description box below, along with all the other ingredients and the quantities I used to make the teriyaki sauce. I did put together a new YouTube channel. It's called Nomadic Retiree. It's more of a travel type of thing. I've only got a couple videos on there right now. It's tax time, so I've got other things to do other than make videos and do editing. So I'll get more on there, and the link to that channel again will be in the description box below. Okay, well, I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Aloha.